Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to hide blue ticks in WhatsApp. So you have to just open the WhatsApp app. So today I will teach you how to hide blue tick. So I can send hi message someone and another WhatsApp you see I can see the hi message and it will be seen the blue ticks. So you have to hide the blue ticks. So you have to open the settings and click to privacy, and there is scroll down read receipts. To turn off read receipts, so it will be hide your blue ticks when someone see your message. So now I will again send them message hello to see them it will be blue tick or not. So you see I will again another WhatsApp check it and seen the message of hello, and again back to check the WhatsApp it will be sent blue ticked or not. So you see it's working, there is no blue tick. So this is how to hide blue ticks on WhatsApp. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.